Now, of course, to go along with your meal and possibly your dessert, you want to have some beverages. So, si vous ne voulez pas payer une boisson, commandez une carafe d'eau. Si, in this case, means if. If you do not want to pay for a drink, une boisson means a drink or a beverage, order a pitcher of water. So at any restaurant or cafe, you can just ask for a pitcher of water and they will bring you a pitcher of tap water. If you just ask for de l'eau, some water, they will probably bring you this. They will probably bring you de l'eau minérale, mineral water or bottled water, and then you'll be charged for it. And if that's what you want, great. But if you just want the free water that has absolutely nothing wrong with it, you can drink that, then you would want to ask for une carafe d'eau. So une eau minérale is a mineral water, or de l'eau minérale is some mineral water. Répétez un citron pressé, du citron pressé, une limonade, de la limonade, un coca, du coca. So we have a false cognate here because the word limonade looks like it should mean lemonade, but it is not. Un citron pressé is actually the phrase for lemonade. Citron is the word lemon. Pressé means pressed or squeezed, and that's what lemonade is. It is a squeezed lemon. So citron pressé is the lemonade. Une limonade is a lemon lime soda. It is essentially equivalent to like a Sprite. It usually has a little bit more of a lemon flavor to it, and there are different brands. This is actually the brand of a limonade in France. It is psht, which is the sound that the bottle makes when you open it up. So une limonade is a lemon lime type soda. Or you could get un coca. The major brands of beverages that we have in the United States, they have in France as well. They have Coke and Pepsi, the diet versions, which I think are called Coca Light and Pepsi Light. They have Sprite and 7-Up and Fanta, but the main beverages they have over there. Coca is just the generic term for like a dark colored cola. Répétez un sirop de menthe, du sirop de menthe. Une grenadine, de la grenadine. Ces deux boissons sont servies avec de l'eau. So this says these two beverages are served with water. If you get un sirop de menthe, what you are getting is mint syrup, and it is a tiny little container, like a little mini glass of mint syrup, and then you'll get a larger glass of water with it, and you can mix that mint syrup into your water to whatever strength you would like. And there are lots of different flavors of syrups that you can get, but mint happens to be one of the more popular ones. Another one that is very common is grenadine, and we use the term grenadine in English as well. Essentially, it is a pomegranate type flavor syrup that has the same purpose. You mix it with water to make a flavored beverage. Le café en France est toujours servi après le dessert, pas avec le dessert comme en Amérique. C'est très fort, similaire à un espresso, et on n'utilise jamais de lait ou de sucre. So coffee in France is always served after dessert, not with the dessert like in the United States. So some people might get dessert and then have a coffee to go with it. In France, coffee is its own separate thing. You get it after the dessert. Even if you ask your waiter for coffee with your dessert, they may wait and bring it out a little bit later. Typical coffee that you would order at a restaurant like this is very strong, more similar to an espresso. So it's tiny little cups. There are no free refills in France on anything. And you never use milk or sugar. So if you have coffee after your meal, it is generally just straight black coffee. That's all it is. So café au lait is what they drink for breakfast. But after a meal, they will have just straight up black coffee, maybe some sugar, but generally not milk. That's reserved for breakfast. So un café is a coffee, du café, some coffee.